Morning, George.
Hola.
How's it going?
Tired.
Is it an actual good morning?
I mean, it is a good morning.
It is.
Because we've got...
It's 9/11 and we're doing Porsche stuff.
Oh no, please don't do this. We're going to do an 11/11.
11. What's 11/11?
No, something Lamborghini related.
Lamborghini. So we are sending the Yaris away to the dealer. Hello. So are you pop-up transport or are you pop-up everything? Anything. Okay, cool. Big shout out to our friend Herman from Pop-Up Car Care for doing the Yaris transportation.
Okay, Misha, now I'll show you how you hook up the girl.
Yes, show it to me.
Just take the hook
Okay.
and you plug it into this,
Oh wow.
and that means hook up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, is that how you use it on Tinder?
I tried to. Not success yet.
So we don't scratch it up too bad.
No, let's just hope that we're not gonna use it that often, so we are not afraid of scratching it.
There you go.
That's the way you hook up the girl when you don't want to see anyone that you hook up this girl. Use tape.
Double by the sounds of it.
Yeah, you can make the inside remotely. You pull yourself on the trailer.
Oh, that's cool. Let's do that. So I go in, right?
Yeah.
Is that also for girls when you want in?
I try many times, but I think the battery is quite low actually.
I should have grabbed my GoPro for this, but... Ooh. Yeah, I cannot be filming and doing this at the same time without power steering. Handbrake?
No gear, just handbrake. Yeah.
Here's the remote.
This thing is functionally inside.
What is it?
It's fucked anyway, so just leave the key inside.
Okay. Well, as you can see, I made it on the trailer. First time for everything, towing myself up onto it. Whee. So now the car will go to dealer in Kaiserslautern, exactly where we bought it, and hopefully they'll be able to sort it out as quick as possible as well.
How have you done the other side? I don't know.
I did the other side.
Yeah, I know. I don't know how you've done it.
I did it during you are talking all the time.
Hey George, look, this car is so unused that it still has tire grease on it. I wish we could lap it.
No, then how do you do this? I don't load cars up.
You have coffee in your shop. So we need another half an hour.
I think George has coffee.
George.
I've never unloaded a car in my life.
You have never loaded.
No, I'm not a transporter, I'm a mechanic.
I think that's not a good position to talk about next year with your career in Apex.
Well, when we get a trailer, I can worry about this.
You told this to Robert that you never loaded a car.
Yeah.
When you asked for job too.
Yeah.
He said that's cool, that's a nice video.
Yeah, because we pay guys like you to do it. No, to be honest, the only time I've ever loaded
I
was
think
a
I will
strap
not.
over the wheel.
I think I will not tell you the secret of bondage.
Bondage?
Yeah.
No, I don't
You
think so.
should know how that works.
No, it's not. Straight.
This one should be inside.
It's actually against the body, yeah.
Try to keep that straight.
And this is why we get Herman to do all of our
Transportation.
Because he actually gives a shit. Oh, that's not a joke, I'm being serious. E92 from Essen, M4 VLN, what other cars? Taxi.
Don't remember Robert for all this stuff. Mostly was connected to some additional costs.
I was like, oh, I forgot about that one. Invoice.
Oh, thanks. Have a good drive.
Thank you. Maybe you think it's possible to get an address where to go to?
Oh. Yeah. How about a coffee?
No time.
No time. Oh, okay. Oh, he's sending it.
Has to get up the hill nicely, I think.
Yeah. Makes sense.
Well, one less thing to worry about.
Let's worry about another thing. The GT86 that we took the GR Yaris, that we took the gearbox off last night. Well, George mostly, but I helped with the last bit. Ta-da! Ta-da! So that's going for rebuild.
Funny thing as well, because obviously I'm a Audi Volkswagen technician, this is the first time I've had a rear-wheel drive box out.
Oh, Nice. Yeah, George just called me like at 8 o'clock last night. Like, are you free?
Because this is heavy.
Sure. Might replace the clutch as well.
Yeah, it's got a little bit of spine movement, a bit more than you want, really. And
yeah.
I can guarantee that there's a lot of wear. I'm not taking it off yet, just in case, but...
Right. Well, I'm off to put some exhaust on the Golf.
I'm off to try and sort out Brexit.
One man who's going to make the difference. George's going to solve the Brexit.
This could be the last vlog. I could be deported today. So.
Oh no! Stay tuned to find out more. That's a good cliffhanger. Now, the GT86 is not the only Toyota that we did some work on. We actually also disassembled the GR Yaris's engine to take a look inside, and that video is coming up tomorrow.
If you look down here, you can see on the inlet valve, cylinder 1, you can see that there's something missing.
Toyota is already aware of the fact that we misshifted the engine, that this whole thing happened, so they were okay with us doing it because the warranty is not gonna cover the misshift anyway. They are able to read the ECU data logs to see that the engine was misshifted, so that's why we did it ourselves. Why are we not repairing the car ourselves? Because A, we don't have the time for it, and 2, we also don't have the tools for it that you need to set the valve timing correctly, etc. And well, we also have some space issues. But videos coming up tomorrow. Stay tuned. I am going to Milltek now to put exhaust on this Golf. And Monday we start with putting all the other parts on the Golf, so there's going to be that. While I'm driving, enjoy the video that I shot earlier when we spotted the Isdera Commendatore 112i. We might have the spot of the year already, and at this point we don't know what it is, but we think it's a Nissan, or is it? No, it's an Isdera. It's an Isdera 112. That's so cool. Need for Speed 2 Special Edition car. Well, I guess we'll be able to take a look up close. Wow. Oh my god. And look at this. The V12. BBS from factory. So I had a chance of driving the Isdera. I already forgot, I'm so amazed by this. It has Porsche brakes. Wow. Side pipes. And the most signature feature is of course the mirror, which is in the rooftop. Amazing. Alright, we have arrived. Before I'm gonna go on the lift, there is one thing you need to know. This is not a real Isdera Commendatore 112i, because there is only one of them in the world, and if you look closely, the license plate says H, and H is a license plate that is being given to old-timer cars in Germany, which are older than 30 years old. Now, the Isdera Commendatore was released in 1993, and again, there was only one of them in silver, and that one is actually a replica, but there's like a very long backstory behind. There was a second chassis that was built by Isdera, and an Isdera customer, a current customer, bought that chassis from Isdera and built the car, but he actually didn't build it completely. He made like also lots of other parts, so it didn't become a real Isdera, etc, etc. Check out the link in the video description that describes the story of the car, but I think it's a very unique story and a very unique car itself. But anyhow, let's put the car on the lift, and on the lift, focus on the building. Yeah, there we go. And see if the underside has rusted more than it already had been over winter. Someone commented, why are you putting a different exhaust on a diesel? That's the most useless thing. Well, I think there is nothing useless to replace this rusty piece of shit. And obviously, especially once the new engine comes on. You can see that the previous owners were very careful when it comes to putting the car on a lift. What a mess. What a mess. Flat floor, never heard of it. No, that's beautiful, nice and shiny. Wonderful. And we're gonna put on scales. Yes. Silencer, 8.6, 2 pipes. Nice. Is that the downpipe?
Yeah. And the clamp.
17.2. Now the stock system will be probably lighter because it's rusted away.
Maybe.
So Jan from Milltek just dropped me off at Apex because I can do some work, he can do some work. We have decided to not install the downpipe because it makes no sense. Because, well, it would make sense, but we have the engine from Darkside Developments, which comes with its own downpipe to fit the turbo. So we're gonna leave it on. It's less work for Jan from Milltek, and will be just as good, because then we can use the rear section with the new downpipe from Darkside Developments. And that's how light the gearbox is of the GT86.
I mean, it's not, I wouldn't say it's light, but it's not heavy.
Yeah.
Was it?
Ooh, long boy.
Yep. Right, let's go get some lunch. Oh, hi. Oh, all the people. Oh, my E63. Putting some big turbos on or what?
Yeah, bigger turbos installed.
Nice. It will be our little secret. We'll hide it here. Insert Bob Ross meme here.
It's not really secret. I will release it on Instagram in a few days.
Ah, okay. Well,
Yeah, 800 plus.
nice.
Already did it many times. We have up to 970 horsepower with this basis, but this is a brand new car. Some ECUs are different, so again, more work for us.
Cool. Exciting. Well, we're hungry, so we're not gonna watch the diner run. So enjoy, have fun, bye.
Bye.
It's the first E-Class, the new E-Class that I'm seeing, I think. Well, the E63. It's cool.
It's gangster.
Yeah. Nice, let's go. Food. Traffic light being posted for RCN. Yay.
What day is that? It's tomorrow, no?
Tomorrow.
I'm going to stay clear of here then.
Is Cooper gonna be ready for tomorrow?
Yeah.
Cool.
Push it round or tow it.
Nice.
Some Fast and the Furious vibes there from racing.
Tomorrow is the test day of RCN. I will make some video of like cars going trackside. We're not participating, well, not only because the Cupra is not ready, otherwise we would not have been participating anyway, because it's really expensive, and we don't need to do it because we can run the car on TF anyway. So there's that. So I wanted chicken, but for somehow they gave me pork. Oh, that would be lovely, maybe. After some closer inspection, I realized that it's actually chicken, just not the whole chicken, but makes things less bad. Well, that's it. That was the food shot, and in this case it actually means that it was also the end of today's video. I'm not gonna wait until Milltek is done with the exhaust because I want to publish this vlog actually today. So this video, except for the Isdera content, was shot on the day of today. As mentioned, tomorrow we're gonna show you how it looks like when you overrev the engine, when we're gonna open up the engine, or show you how it looks like when we open it up. On Monday, we're going to start rebuilding the Golf. We also brought the gearbox, you saw it, and that should be like also like disassembled around Monday, Tuesday. So lots of technical stuff is coming up in the upcoming week. Also some onboards in between, also the vlog of the upcoming Sunday, where we're going to be doing some more laps again. Looking forward to that. And guys, I wish you a nice weekend, and looking forward to seeing you either on Nürburgring or on the channel or in the comment section. Yay! So again, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.